In this session, we are going to learn how to play the first and the last instrumental sections of the piece, as well as learn how to sing along to the verse and the chorus.
Let's warm up. Here are 4 short videos showing or reminding you where the notes that we need for Hall of Fame live.
The first note we need in order to play our Hall of Fame ukulele part is G. We have 2 options when it comes to playing this note. Firstly, I'll show you open G, and then I'll show you another option, which is fretted G. For open G, I'm going to be using my right hand thumb to play the string. It's the first string that I come to as I approach the ukulele. So string closer to the ceiling, and here we go, open G. I'll show you that again, open G. I'm now going to show you our second option, which is fretted G. Fretted G is found on the E string, 3rd fret, using the 3rd finger of my left hand, also called my fretting hand. And there we go, you can see it pressed down on the 3rd fret of the E string. Okay. Now in order to play this string, I'm going to be using my index finger from my right hand. This is fretted G. Going to play that again for you. Fretted G. The second note we need in order to play our ukulele part for Hall of Fame is a D note. Now D is a fretted note, so we're going to have to use our left hand now. And it is found on the 2nd fret of the C string. So there's open C, and there is fretted D. I'm going to use my index finger to play this. You could use your thumb to play this as well, that's fine. Okay, now this is fretted D. Going to do that again, fretted D. And I'm using finger 2 of my left hand there because it's on the 2nd fret. Okay, the third and final note that we need for our ukulele part to Hall of Fame is the A note. If we go through the names of our open strings, we have G, C, E, A. So this is going to be the note that we're going to use. This is the string here, open A. I'm going to be using my index finger from my right hand to play that note. I'll do that again, open A.
Tempo is how fast the pulse of a piece of music is. When you hear music on TV, think about the tempo. Is it fast, slow, or medium? The tempo symbol for this song means there are 85 beats every minute. Rhythm is how we describe the mixture of long sounds, short sounds, and rests that make up music. Here are 4 lines with a repeated rhythm to copy. The 4th line is the rhythm we need for Hall of Fame. After each line, pause the video and practice playing the rhythm on a note or chord of your choice.
Time to put the notes and rhythms together. Here is a video of Mr. Lockington playing the first part of Hall of Fame without the backing track. Time to put it all together. Here's a video of Mr. Lockington playing the ukulele part to Hall of Fame to a backing track. Have a listen, then a practice, then join in. Remember to sit up straight and to make sure you're pressing down notes with the tips of your fingers. Good luck.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and hope you look forward to session 2 of Hall of Fame next time.